Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I wanted to come on and share a Dollar Tree haul with you all. I've been trying to organize a closet in my house and I've been watching a lot of organization videos of Dollar Tree's new price hike. But these containers were not bad. Um, so they're big, and I'm not going to share them with you all, but um, they are turning out great in my linen closet. And you know how your linen closet gets, it gets crazy, and I needed these covered bins so I can pull out things that I know I'm going to use for like, especially for like the holidays, like tablecloths and cloth napkins. Yes, I still use cloth napkins, especially during the holidays. I don't know why. It's old fashioned, but I still do. And I have different kinds of, not a lot, but I do have different kinds of even placemats and stuff like that. And I like to organize them so I can pull them out and use them when I need them. So I bought a couple containers for $5 and several at $3. So yeah, it is what it is. But I got it, and I'm very happy with them. And but I wanted to also come on and share some other new items that are new to me. It may not be new to you, but it is to me. I found these travel containers for like when you're traveling wherever across the country, visiting family, and you pop these off. Oh gosh. Oh, it has a tape on it. No wonder. um, and I thought these were brilliant. It's probably the right amount of size or right size for shampoo. And so I bought two of them because I was thinking, if you're going on for a long trip, you may need, two shampoo and two conditioner, um, you know, to travel with. So isn't that cute? I bought two pink. It came in pink and blue. So I bought that. And then I was watching Kimbo at Kimbo's Creation, and she was sharing these gorgeous pins, and I said, well, if they have them, they have them. If they don't, they don't. And they did. And these are scissors. I don't care what you say, but these are scissors, and I love them. They would be awesome in a journal. They will be awesome, on a sewing project, because they're little pins. They're hair pins, or clips, I would say. Yeah, hair clip. You can see it's like a bobby pin, to be honest, with a beautiful scissor blingy pin. So I love them. So I got those. Then I got these, and I was like happy. I was like, oh my gosh. I watch everybody, and I watch their haul videos, and I never found these in my Dollar Tree, and I finally found them. I wish they came in pink. They probably did. I'm just late to the party. But they had only green and the blue, and you gotta see them. They are adorable. Look at them. Look at I just think it's adorable. Um, yeah, but it's not the best quality. Like, shoot, I just got that stuck. Now I got that stuck. Oh, here we go. So it's not the best quality, but hey, for $1.25, what do you expect, It is just simply adorable, though. I love it. I thought it was so cute. Okay. Next, I finally found these containers. I bought 6 containers. I'm giving 3 away to my crafty friends. I think they would love these. I filled them up with some bits and bobs that I had, and I'm sharing it with them. Then I found these. I was watching Miriam over at Miss Cooper's Coop, and she was sharing her Christmas tags, which are gorgeous. And I thought, what a great idea to put a wooden bead, on a rustic tag. You know, it just adds the rustic look to a tag, and I thought that was a great idea. And then, what else did I get? Oh, I went crazy. I went crazy for Cocoa Pops, I guess. I bought a whole bunch of stickers. And not just any stickers. They're these floral stickers. And this is another purchase of this floral because I just love them. And I don't want to lose it. It reminds me of cherry blossoms. So I had to get them. Put that there. And then I found these beautiful floral stickers. Oh gosh, it focused. Come on. Oh well, you can see them, right? They're gorgeous, and I had to get them. And then I found these stickers. They're almost like carnations, these ones here. Love them. I just love the look of them. And then I found these 2 straggly florals. They're really flat though, which I like, but they do have some kind of texture on them. I love calla lilies. They're so pretty. So I bought those. If there was more, I would have bought another one of those. And then I saw these hydrangeas. I just love these. They're so pretty. I have a hydrangea bush in my yard. It's not the blue, which I love the blue. It's more of not even a purple. It's more of a pinkish. You would think I would love it, but I would rather have the blue. The blue is just simply unbelievable. And then I found these. Just love these stickers. I am like looking at these stickers in a whole new light. I passed them up in years past, and after watching Mary over at my Cards TV, I'm looking at them in a different way, which is bad because I'm buying them up. I'm just going crazy. Love this one. I love this vase that holds the roses. It's so pretty, and this dragonfly. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm just in love with them. And then I found these. Oh my gosh. So pretty. These stickers. Oh my gosh. On cards, when you want to create a simple card. And then these are some daisies, I think. I think these are daisies. Look at that beautiful butterfly on there. And the bumblebees. This would be really nice on a slimline card. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is the extent of my haul. I bought some baby wipes, but that's boring. I did find these glitter highlighters. So pretty. They come with with some matching pens, but they're just black ink. But how cute is that? I already took it out of the packaging because I was so excited. I wanted to try these out, and these work very well. I do not have the marked up paper that I used, but they work very, very well and very, very glittery. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. I'm done. Done. Um, but I love everything that I got. I was so happy. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your week and summer. I'll be back with another video. I'm going to come back on to share my hashtag Deck the Year. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.